Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining your dependent variable and the predictors you need. Once done, inspect missingness and outliers and apply transformations for skewed measures. Make sure to pre-register your primary hypothesis and pick the appropriate regression family: linear for continuous outcomes, logistic for binary, Poisson for counts. You should also standardize or center predictors when interpretation or interaction terms matter. Start fitting a simple baseline model to ensure code runs and that coefficients align with expectations before scaling up. Now you specify model structure and estimate. First, fit nested models. Baseline, add confounders, then interactions. This shows how estimates shift. Once fitted, assess diagnostics. Check VIFs for multicollinearity, inspect residuals for heteroskedasticity, and review R-squared or AIC for fit. If errors are correlated or clustered, switch to robust standard errors, clustered SEs, or a mixed effects model. Then run sensitivity checks and alternative specifications to make sure results are stable and not driven by one assumption. Finally, interpret coefficients in meaningful terms and report uncertainty clearly. You should convert estimates to marginal effects, predicted probabilities, or change in outcome units so readers grasp practical importance. Once done, visualize model fit, diagnostic plots, and counterfactual predictions to communicate robustness. If findings look implausible, troubleshoot. Re-examine variable coding, sample selection, and measurement validity. Run placebo tests or split sample checks. Make sure to document all decisions and include alternative model files so others can reproduce your analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.